The second phase of nationwide lockdown that was supposed to end today will continue for 2 more weeks as instructed by Ministry of Home Affairs. Though some relaxations are to be provided in districts earmarked as green and orange zones for COVID-19 spread. Let us look at the global numbers of COVID-19. The SARS-CoV-2 virus has so far infected 35,02,956 people globally. The death toll across the world stands at 2,45,081. The number of recovered patients in the world rose to 11,28,958 with 32.22% of global recovery rate. In India, the total number of positive COVID-19 cases have gone up to 39,980, out of which 10,632 have been either cured or discharged. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 stands at 1,301. Out of 1,301 deaths, Maharashtra accounts for the maximum with 521 deaths, followed by Gujarat 262, Madhya Pradesh 151, Rajasthan 65, Delhi 64 and Uttar Pradesh 43. In last 24 hours in India, around 2,644 new cases of COVID-19 were reported, whereas 83 coronavirus-linked deaths were reported. Let us move on towards important news of the day. The Central Reserve Police Force CRPF headquarter based in Delhi has been sealed on Sunday after an employee associated with senior officer tested positive for COVID-19. A stenographer to CRPF Additional DG Javed Akhtar tested positive for novel coronavirus early on Sunday. News agency PTI reported that the force has informed district surveillance officer to follow medical guidelines and initiate required protocols in order to time-bound sealing of the building located on Lodhi Road in Delhi. Javed Akhtar and 10 other associates have been home quarantined as the authorities began contact tracing of all the personnel in headquarters who came in contact with the staffer who tested positive. Moving on to the next news. With a high number of migrant workers wanting to go back to their home states, Gujarat government seems to be in challenging situation. The state will now have to arrange transport for 20 lakh migrants back to their homes as reported by Times of India. On Wednesday, the central government in a major relief to migrant workers had allowed them to return to their homes 36 days after the national lockdown was imposed. The state government constituted a team comprising of 16 IAS officers and IPS officers after the order was issued to handle the task. However, within a short period of time, over 20 lakh migrant laborers from various parts of the state have enrolled themselves and the figure is estimated to increase. Moving on to the next news. A private bus carrying more than 70 migrant workers overturned in Odisha on Saturday, killing at least one person and injuring 40 others. The incident took place in Kalinga Ghati of Odisha's Kandhamal district. Belonging to Odisha's Ganjam district, the migrant workers were returning from Gujarat's Surat. Police, ambulance and fire service officials reached the spot from Udaygiri, Fulbani and Raikia and carried out the rescue operation. Moving on to the next news. A mega effort by armed forces to felicitate healthcare workers and other corona warriors is underway across the country, complete with flypasts by fighter jets over the state capitals, aerial flower shower and performances by military bands outside hospitals. In the evening, Navy ships docked at major ports including Mumbai, Chennai will be lit up. The gesture of special gratitude was announced on Friday by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and 3 service chiefs. The show of gratitude for health workers started in March with Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting people to clap from balconies.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.